Understanding GitHub collaboration.
GitHub makes it easy for developers to work together on projects, whether open source or within a team. The platform uses workflows like forking, making pull requests, and reviewing code changes. These features help contributors suggest, discuss, and improve changes before merging them into the main project, ensuring high code quality and teamwork.
Forking a repository.
This forking creates your own copy of someone else's project on GitHub. This lets you experiment with changes without affecting the original code. Forks allow you to freely modify and develop features, track your work, and later contribute your improvements back to the source project. Forking is the starting point for most collaborative contributions.
Committing and pushing changes.
After forking, you make changes locally and commit them with informative messages. Commits act like save points, documenting the specific changes you made. When you're ready, you push these commits to your forked copy on GitHub, keeping your changes organized and visible for others to review.
Creating a pull request.
This is how you propose your changes from your fork back to the original project. On GitHub, you compare your updated branch to the main project's branch, briefly explain your changes, and submit the pull request. This starts a conversation where project maintainers and teammates can review your contributions.
Code review and merging.
Code reviews are an essential step for collaboration. Other contributors and maintainers examine your pull request, leave feedback, and suggest improvements. Once everyone is satisfied and all checks pass, your changes can be merged into the main project. This ensures shared code quality and fosters learning among team members.
Tips for effective collaboration.
Clear communication and descriptive commit messages make collaborations smoother. Always keep your branches up to date with the latest changes, respond to code review feedback promptly, and respect the project's contribution guidelines. These habits help build a positive, productive experience on GitHub for all collaborators.